I'm from System Hash. This video is about how to get more available memory on your Android phone for downloading new apps. It frequently happens when you are downloading some app and your Android phone tells you that you do not have enough available memory in your mobile phone. Normally in this situation, the phone owner has to postpone the downloading of the new app on the phone. But it is not a good idea to get more available memory on your mobile phone. It is not a long process. Let us see. Just click the settings icon on the home screen of your Android phone. It will open up the settings screen. At the settings screen, click the device maintenance feature. At the device maintenance screen, click the memory button placed at the bottom of the screen. It will take you to the memory screen. At the memory screen, see the available space in the memory section is 2 GB. To improve the performance, click the Clean Now button to get plus 1 GB memory. After processing, Android operating system will tell you that 1 GB has been cleared. If you want more free space, click the View More. It will open up a list of dozens of apps available in the Android phone to work on. Select and click the tick button on the left of those apps which are not currently in your use, and that app will be deleted and the space being utilized by the app will be free for your usage to download the new apps or to improve performance. Let's try.